Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So if you are new here, hi, hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Anne and on here I do talk about life and study in Italy, and I'm also a faith-based content creator as well. So if this looks to be content you're interested in, do consider subscribing to the channel, and thank you for doing that. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to create your CV on your Europass Cv. So what you guys should know is, if you are looking to apply for university here in Italy, like the accepted European CV format is that of the Europass Cv. Okay, so because of that, it's highly advisable for you to create your CV using this platform. You can log in if you already have an account, or if not, you you create your free Europass profile. Okay, but then I have an account already. I create my CVs on this platform, so I already have my account, so I'm going to log in. So you then you you come here, but then I am going to show you how to really create a new CV by yourself. Okay, but then and you have the option either to create your CV in English, Italian, or whichever language you choose, depending on which country you're choosing to come and study in the European Union. So I have a CV in English, and then I also have a CV in Italian. So for you, first of all, you can decide to build your profile first and put your experience and everything there before creating your CV. You can create your CV from your profile, or you can go directly and create a new CV. You don't only need the CV when you're applying for universities or anything like that, but then you also need it when you're applying for internships, you're applying for jobs, and volunteering opportunities in the European Union. And then the cool thing about the Europass European Union platform is there's an option for you to find a job, find a course to work in Europe, learn in Europe, and then job and skill trends. So for you to know what's actually happening in the European Union and all of that, and the opportunities that are available in other countries. So this platform is actually really very cool. So you can choose whichever language you want your CV in. So you can go here and then you click on create your CV now. Then they're going to give you the option either to start from your profile based on the information that you've placed there to create a CV, or if you have other CVs that you've created already in your library, you can select one of them and use to create this new CV, or you can import an existing Europass CV that you already have, or to create a new CV. Click on create new CV. Then I'll go here. So this is it. Done with this detail. Then you save this information. Then you move to add another section. Then obviously how it works. The next is maybe your work experience or your education and training. You just choose whichever you want to go with. So your education and training, then you add that section. Then the qualification that has been awarded. save. You always have to save before moving on. Then if you want to add other, like, education or training experience, you add all of that. Then you move to another section. If you want to create another section, then you go to the work experience section. Then you kind of like add that. So what experience that you have. So after you're done with all of that, then you go to add another section. Okay, then here you're going to add your language skills or your digital skills. You can choose whichever one you want to. So you add a section. They allow the opportunity for you to add, like, your listening. Are you basic level? Are you this level? Whichever one, it just allows you to kind of like add those ones to it. So this, you see how it is. So the employer is able to understand, okay, from your CV, they're able to understand your Italian level. Then they choose whether you are the right fit for the role or not. That's when you're applying for a job. But then if you're applying for like university, most of them will tell you maybe they want if the course is going to be in English or the course is going to be in Italian, they will tell you they need B2 level, C2, and all of that. So from your CV, they can be able to know, whether you kind of like meet that requirement. Then you go to another section. Add all the digital skills that apply. Then you save. You always have to save each and every section that you open. Then honors your publication recommendations, such like volunteering, like each and everything. You can kind of like add those sections. And then you just keep going until you feel like you've covered all the areas that you want to cover. Then you move to next. So when you move to next, it will show you, it is at this section that you choose the kind of like CV format that you want. If you want this, you choose it. If you want this format, you kind of like you choose it. Yeah, it looks cool. If you want this format, then you also choose it. I feel like this one is cool. So after you're done selecting this, then you move to next. So like you move to next, and this is your CV. Write the name that you want to attach to it. Then you can see you have your CV here, and then you choose to print it or download it, or you can choose to save it. You guys know if you kind of like found this helpful, and if you be using the Europass platform, or be creating your CV using Europass to apply for job opportunities in the European Union, to apply for university and other roles as well. So that is it for this video. I'll see you in my next video. If there's anything else you want me to kind of like show you, let me know in the comments. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.